All right, so I know it's been a long time since the last time we seen you.
Been a long time.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
We're back though.
Hey, absolutely, we're back. So, just wanted to come back. We've been working, man. We've been working on some things. It's been a while because, man, we've been growing the business. We've been working on some things for you guys. There's been a lot of buzz on the, probably one of my best videos that I've done. It was talking about trade lines, making money selling trade lines.
Yep.
And I've been having a ton of people on that video just start reaching out to me, right?
Yep.
And they're wondering, how can we get started Tradeline? What do I need to do to start my own? How do I need to do it? So just FYI, we are creating a course where we already put together, I think Josh already put together the course to be able to push out to you guys, to get you guys more of the information that you're looking for, more of the information that you're wanting about how to sell your trade lines. But you know what, to get in it, I'll ask you, so what can they expect from the course that you're dropping?
So the course that we dropped is pretty much how to make $1,000 per week selling trade lines, right? So pretty much whenever it comes to trade lines, one of the main things that you need to worry about is how do I protect myself, which we go over. So how do we keep the banks from shutting us down? How do we get people from, or keep people from getting away with the cards, spending those, how to put spending limits on the cards, just things that protect yourself. And then also how to protect your personal address, right? Where do we send the addresses? Where are we sending the cards? Because we all know any trade line that you sell will report that address on the personal consumer credit report. And if you don't know these people that you're selling the trade lines to, you don't want your personal information out, right? Not only do we cover that, but we also go on the marketing side, right? So how do you market your trade lines to people? How do you find the people who actually need your services? We pretty much go over head to toe, everything, and cover everything as far as marketing, right? So you will have your relationships maybe with your car salesman, you will have them with your credit repair team, you will have them with your realtors, you know what I mean? People who actually need credit in order to move forward will let you know how to set it up, how do you make sure everybody get paid and that we can move. Now, it is specific things that you always want to tell these people whenever you're working with them to get them to bring the business over to you, right? So just be in position to make these things happen. And man, we cover everything with risk management. So that's pretty much everything you can expect. But if you execute the plan right, there's no reason you shouldn't be making an extra $500 to $1,000 a week in this course.
Extra $500 to $1,000 a week?
Yeah.
Man, I need to step my game up. I need some of that money. But essentially, we trying to give it to you guys now. They can expect this. So tell me, how much are they looking to pay, or is there going to be that something that you want to let go up front? How much you charging for the course? Or?
So initially we was thinking $200. I was typically doing Zoom calls with various people who reached out, just saying $200. But now, since it don't take up any of our time anymore, we letting it go for $129. So literally a small fee which you could put on a credit card that's going to teach you how to turn your credit card into cash and start getting people and clients in. Also, if you don't have any trade lines, we're going to break down how to use other people's trade lines, what websites you should go to, what people are credible who will get your things together, and how much you should be charging on top, right? So we'll break down literally A to Z. If you only have one or two that you can personally put people on, and let's say you run out of spots, how to continuously turn over the money, that way you're never not making money.
Absolutely. So there you go. A lot of those questions, to promise you guys, I got a ton of questions on YouTube just pertaining to one video on trade lines, and everybody wants this information. So we want to make sure we get it out to you. And like I said, Josh put together the course. You can mention I sent you, whatever the case may be, but essentially we want to get this information out there to you because we want you to start changing lives. Obviously leveraging a lot of you guys is asking the question, already got good credit or have some kind of great history with a credit card. You don't even need good credit, you just need great history with a credit card to be able to sell a trade line. But essentially, since you guys want this information, we want to get it out to you because obviously you're going to be able to impact more people in the community that needs it. So they'll be able to go do some things like go buy that car, go get some more credit cards so they can go fund their business, or go get some more lines of credit, right? But you're going to be able to strengthen other people's profile, which essentially is going to help the community. But everybody's going to benefit, especially that car salesman that's sending them to you, and that realtor or whoever sending that's looking for this information, whatever they're trying to do. This is going to help them. So I see definitely value in it. To be honest with you, whenever you're looking at investing in yourself, I mean, my man just told you he's trying to teach them how to make $500 to $1,000 a week, and you're giving it away for $129. That's extreme. That's a $10,000 course, you ask me. Because I mean, shoot, over the course of the year, that's extra 25,000 or 52,000 if you maxing out that 1,000 a week. It's extra $52,000. Now, depending on how much credit you got to be able to hit those numbers, but essentially, that's all we're talking about. And it sounds like from a marketing perspective, from a business perspective, I look at cost, what is going to make me right, the investment. But from a business perspective, it sounds like this is absolutely no-brainer. Marketing cost is word of mouth.
Yeah, 100%.
And once you get one car lot, typically you get 2 or 3, right? I mean, and in one car lot, there's a lot of people going up there with bad credit trying to buy a car.
Exactly.
There's a shortage of cars right now, but hey, you can go to Carvana, shop online, right? So there's no shortage there. So with that being said, man, appreciate that information. This sounds like a great tool for everybody to get in front of. Like I said, we had so much pub and so many questions about that. We just wanted to bring it to you guys. Make sure you guys get this information. Then shoot, I'm pretty sure I have Josh on shortly talking about some more Tradeline stuff that can help you guys out. But essentially, we want to get everybody making at least $10,000 a year from this, and that's on the low end. You said $5,000 to $1,000 a week.
That's on the low.
But you should be able to at least make $1,000 a month. From this.
Some trade lines go for $700, $800. So one trade line can definitely pay your car note, pay a couple car notes, insurance, grocery bill, water bill, electricity. Yeah, just one trade line. That's one a week. That's nothing major. Just one a week could literally change your life.
Absolutely. So you guys heard it here first. We just want to let you guys know the information is out. Please, where do they find this information?
Information, you can go to, it'll probably be a link in this video. I'll probably go ahead and drop the link in this video. So by the time this is published, you will be able to see everything and go ahead and get the course and make that investment in yourself.
Absolutely. So you guys heard it here first. If you got any questions, please reach out, comment on the video, let us know how we can help. And I would definitely make sure I be tagging other people once this information come out to go out there and look at it, see if they can go get the course.
Yeah, let's make it happen.
All right, then y'all take care.
All right, take it easy.